Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to type accent over letter in publisher document. So let's start it. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show type accent over letter in Microsoft Publisher. Now firstly type from a letter. Now this letter is a size sense. Now accent over letter. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for a symbol option. Now click for a more symbol. Now find a accent. Now click for a, then click for insert option. That is. Now click for close. Then you should type accent over letter in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.